Okay guys, and welcome to this very short video. We are going to be talking about the backpack airdrop. All right, so I'm going to be telling you how you can be able to get the backpack airdrop, how you can be able to make money from the backpack airdrop even if you didn't participate on the airdrop activity. So right now, watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part. Make sure you watch it so that you get to understand how you can definitely make money from this particular airdrop even if you didn't participate on their actual airdrop campaign. All right, so looking over here on their X account, they said that the TGE is going to be on the 23rd of March 2026. So in a couple of days right now, they are going to be having their TGE, and definitely a lot of us are going to be missing out, including myself, because I didn't participate on their actual airdrop activity. All right, so right now, for those of you who probably haven't heard about backpack wallet, backpack is actually a popular multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet. They focus majorly on Solana, but they also support Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other important network. All right, so the backpack wallet was developed by the team behind the MadLab NFT collection. All right, so and to be able to participate on the airdrop, there are certain things you need to know. That is, if you actually participated on the airdrop. Okay, now for you to participate on the airdrop, you must have done one of these things that I've done. Even if you didn't do this thing that I'm about to mention right now, you can still get a cut. You can gain from the airdrop if you watch this video to the end. Okay, so for those of you who probably don't know how come they did their airdrop or what anybody need to do before the person qualifies to receive the backpack wallet airdrop, first of all, the first thing you need to do for you to qualify for the backpack wallet airdrop is that you must have traded on the exchange. Okay, if you trade on the exchange, that is backpack exchange, you are going to be gathering points that's going to be making you eligible to receive the airdrop. Also, if you use backpack wallet very actively, especially if that wallet is linked to an exchange, you are also going to be receiving the backpack wallet airdrop. If you hold the NFT, that is the MadLab NFT, you are also going to be receiving the airdrop. All right, so and completing some other quests and enable some features like auto learn and participating on some seasonal program. These are the things that are going to be making you to be part of the main backpack wallet airdrop. But even if you didn't do all this that I just mentioned right now, this is what you need to do right now for you to be able to receive a cut or to gain from the backpack wallet airdrop. All right, so before I continue the video, please, if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please kindly do well to hit that subscription button. It actually means the whole world to us. All right, so click on that subscription button to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video if you find it interesting. Drop your opinion on the comment section, and with that being done, let's continue. Over here on this particular exchange, the name of this crypto trading platform is called Bitmat. All right, so you can actually get it. You can download the app from Play Store, verify it, and proceed with what I'm about to mention right now. So over here, guys, you can see we are currently on the app, and once you get to this app, this is what you need to press. What you need to do to press right here is check out over here. You need to scroll it until you see the backpack wallet campaign. Okay, so you keep on scrolling until you see it. Okay, I'm just trying to get it right here. I still can't find it. Okay, I guess this is where it is. Okay, you can see this one. Grab a share of this, you click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, they are going to be taking you to a kind of website where you need to perform some certain activity that's going to be making you get USDT for this backpack wallet airdrop. All right, so over here, this is the first one right here. Okay, now listen closely. So over here, guys, you can see that a total of 18,182 backpack token is actually out for this. Okay, and currently we are on the commitment phase. Now, what is the commitment phase? Commitment phase is the phase that allows you to a kind of deposit your USDT, and after that you are going to be getting back your USDT, and you are also going to be sharing from the pool of this amount of backpack token that's going to be shared to everyone. So currently we are on the commitment phase, and to be able to participate on this, it is very, very easy. Okay, looking over here right now, okay, from this part you can see that the registration phase has actually ended, and this is a kind of late already. And over here, the registration ended yesterday. It started on the 16th and it ended on the 19th, and which is today is 19. It has already ended, and currently they are on the commitment phase. And looking over here, you can see that only 19 persons has committed so far, and of course this commitment phase is going to be running from now till the 22nd of this month, and the distribution is going to be from 22nd to distribution is going to be on the 22nd, and of course allocation phase is going to be on the same 22nd of this month. So this is the first part. Now the next thing you need to do, because you have already missed out on this particular opportunity, simply go back. Okay, so once you are back to the to this page, then you need to click on this one. Okay, search for it until you can see trade to share $50,000. all right, so click on it. Now once you click on that particular one, just allow it to load completely. Okay, as it is loading, this is what you need to know. Okay, this video is not a financial advice in any way. In fact, none of my content or none of my video is a financial advice. So whatever you are doing, you are completely responsible for it. All right, so make sure you do the right choices and skip those that you may not want to do. Okay, now that the page is downloading, you can see you need to trade to earn from this 50,000 USDT. all right, so earning from this 50,000 USDT, first of all, you need to click on join to actually join this particular program. Okay, now this is what you need to do. This favors majorly those that are new to this particular exchange, and over here you trade and you earn a share. Okay, now they said each user can claim this reward only once, limited to a total of 5,000 USDT. So I'm having a network issue, so I can't really get the clear picture right here. So over here it says users who make their first future trade on BPUSDT or CFGUSDT with a trading volume of greater than $10 will receive 5 USD. This means that if you are a new user who's just joined this particular platform called Bitmart Trading Exchange, if you join it and your first trade on the future trading is BPUSDT and you trade more than 10 USDT, you are going to be receiving 5 USDT immediately. So this is actually a very good opportunity for people who haven't yet traded on the Bitmart Trading Exchange. Now it continues like that. They said if you trade more than 1,000 in trading volume. Now trading volume is different. Trading volume, you can trade $100 until it's up to until when you calculate all of them, it amounts to 1,000 USDT. If you can trade such on future trading, you are going to be randomly getting $10 to $40. Now this one right here is not for everyone. They say randomly, so you stand a chance of earning that, and you may not earn that as well. Now over here, when you continue reading, you will see that the challenge kept on going, and that is how you actually get backpack airdrop. Now the first one that I showed you is already late, all right, but that was actually a way that you can get backpack token directly. But on this particular one that I'm talking about right here, you can get USDT simply by trading backpack token. Now this is going to favor everyone, but new users are going to be enjoying it the most. Okay, now what I needed to note right here is the time for the distribution. They say right here, reward are distributed in the form of future trading bonus. So they are going to be giving you your bonuses in terms of money that you can use to trade on future trading, okay, with a minimum amount of 1 USDT. So you even if you don't receive anything, you receive at least 1 USDT, and your reward is going to be issued within 7 working days after the campaign ends. When the campaign actually ends, the campaign is going to be ending on 24th of this month. When it ends, it's going to take 7 working days before you receive your reward. All right, so basically this is all you need to know right now concerning this particular airdrop, and this is exactly how you can be able to join the backpack airdrop even if you have not been participating on it before. Okay, so I believe the video was very informative. Let me know your opinion right there on the comment section. Are you participating on this? The link to participate on this particular program that I just showed you right now is going to be right there on the video description box. So are you joining this particular campaign? What airdrop are you currently in? Let us know right there on the comment section so that users can get to join you and farm that particular airdrop. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.